guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time visiting my channel, my name is Felix. I'm a YouTube content creator from Indonesia. Wow, it's been a fast week since I've lost reaction to Diana. And yeah, the last time, if I'm not mistaken, was her single or something, right, of Diana. And now I just checked out her YouTube channel, and she have launched several new content. So here we go, another reaction of Diana Ankudinova. So really can't wait on checking things out over here. This is, I think, her duet. If I have been stunned by only her solo performance, what will happen to me if I listen to a duet? I really don't know. Really can't wait. I want to check things out. So let's go, let's check, let's react. Okay. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, Diana Ankudinova with Ilya Viktorov, another snowman. That's the life now will lead and think we'll until go this it start again. Okay. Okay, another snowstorm. Okay, wow, this'll be lit. The music, it's already so dope, so lit, so classy, so elegant. Wow. Okay. And Diana looks so beautiful with that gown shining. Ba-da-ba-dum, ba-dum-bum-bum. Bum bum. I've been living for so many years. Wow, okay, the harmonies. Ooh, dope. The way they can, the way they can correlate with the male vocal and female vocals. Oh, the harmonies. Oh. Da da dum da 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 dum da 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 dum. Oof. The feelings, the dynamics, the control that this singers put. Wow, 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 wow. The control, the dynamics. Ooh, the beltings of Diana. Damn. Mike and distancing. Oh, the harmonies. Damn, it's just like, oh my god, I just want to close my eyes and just enjoy every moment. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, Diana Ankudinova, this is just another set of amazing performance. To control the dynamics, although I don't understand the pronunciation, but the dynamics to control the feel, the delivery of the message, and the harmonies are all on point, are all real dope, real cool, so stunning. As well as the facial expression, the way she story tells, the fashion, the clothes, the gun, the blazer that the other singer use as well. The way they know when to hit the high notes, the beltings, the improves, the low and the high is being coordinated so well, and it's like so melted, so mixed up together, and just so creating a perfect harmony and perfect combination. So this is just an amazing video that I've reacted to. So I guess this will be it for my reaction. Thank you so much. Until we meet next time in the next reaction video. Bye.